Nightingale. Last night I heard a nightingale. She sang not 3 yards from my head. She did it so sweet and low. I thought I must be dreaming, or she and me were dead. Well, I left her silently secret, and the seed that was watered and grown. There seems so much we're loving, more than my poor heart has ever known. And wildwood lady, I'm sorry, but you just can't fly out of my mind. Or baby, you just forgotten how you're spinning like a sycamore, trying to get it on this time. Wish I could hang all my cares on your settle and toss them off one by one. I don't mind if we all stand round clapping, long as, sister, you and me listen for the song. Well, I have no need for fine linen or a Batman to shine my shoes. And as for those heads of all nations, when I choose a lady, I very often lose. But I can sing you a song of your choosing. If you don't know the words, whistle a tune. I'll give you the gifts I am able, just a smiling song and a drunkard's blues. Nick Lowe wrote that one. That's for you, Andy. Back in 1975, I think.